Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Right now, there's a little known YouTube niche or TikTok niche that's making creators thousands of dollars per video. And believe it or not, it's all about emotional cat stories. And yes, animated cats that make people cry, laugh, and share. And here's the secret, you don't need five different AI tools or any animation skills. Because in this video, I'll show you how I use just one AI platform to create a story so realistic and how you can use the exact same method to build your own profitable channel. Now, you might think this niche is too unusual to make money, but that's not true. Some creators are earning as much as $8,000 per video and reaching millions of views. And here's the crazy part, it's not limited to just cats. You can use the same formula for dogs, fantasy animals, or even original characters. But in today's video, we'll focus on cats because they're consistently one of the most emotional and profitable niche and most trending on TikTok right now. So let's move to the tool that makes this whole process possible. So let's search on Magic Light. So this AI platform transforms text prompts into fully animated videos with consistent characters supporting lengths of up to 30 minutes. And after signing in, you'll land in a beginner-friendly dashboard. So from there, go to the story to video section up here. Now, the standout feature, Magic Light has an entire library of cat story templates, which are continuously updated with trending designs. So you can also create long form content from these templates. Imagine uploading a touching 12-minute story about a lost kitten finding its way home. That's exactly the kind of video that pulls up people's hearts and racks up millions of views. So after selecting a template, now you can create videos in multiple languages and choose from various styles to fit your channel's need. We'll move to the cast page where we can customize the characters. So this ensures consistency across your stories. For example, if you create a gray cat with green eyes for your first video, you can keep using the same cat in all your future uploads. So that builds familiarity with your audience, they recognize the character, and it feels like they're following a series. So choose from pre-made characters, or you can generate your own using text prompts. Once your cast is ready, you can fine tune every detail. So add optional voiceovers, insert emotional sound effects, and duplicate or edit scenes to expand your story. Sound design is powerful here. Adding subtle purring, soft crying, or dramatic background tones can make your video hit much harder emotionally. So Magic Light even lets you regenerate or animate images automatically. So just select your preferred video model, such as Hilo AI, then animate all your scenes at once. Now the results look impressively realistic, so this is where you'll see your still images turn into fluid animations, like cats moving, blinking, even showing emotion through their eyes. Once the animation is complete, you can adjust the cover title, subtitles, and background music. And here's a pro tip. You can use sad piano or meow inspired background music. It works wonders for emotional impact. Next is to choose your resolution. Let's choose 9 by 16 and generate the video. After generating, let's download it. So in just minutes, you'll have a professional, emotional, and monetizable AI cat story ready to publish. And since this niche is still wide open, now is the best time to start. So it's emotionally powerful, highly shareable, and very profitable. Now you have the tool, the prompts. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll put the link in the description of this tool. See you next time. Making professional videos used to mean big budgets and endless editing. Introducing Vidatia, the breakthrough AI video creator that does it all in minutes. From long form YouTube videos to attention grabbing TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even ads, Vidatia crafts high quality content in any style like cartoons, 3D illustrations, or even faceless narration, all without having you to pick up a camera. Just enter your idea, choose a look, and let Vidatia handle the rest. Vidatia gives you direct access to AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok, ensuring your videos always stand out. No crew, no editing, no waiting. Get results in seconds, perfect for every platform. So what are you waiting for? Get Vidatia now. Just go to getvidatia.in.